Hello and welcome to our channel. Let's start with a story today. One day, a fox was walking through a forest. Suddenly, it heard a loud noise and stopped. The noise came from a huge, strange object. When the wind blew and the branches of the tree touched the top of the object, this sound was heard. The fox was curious. It went near the object and started exploring. It was surprised that when it hit the top of the object, the sound was heard again. The hungry fox thought there must be a rabbit hidden inside that is making this noise. Just then, a tiger came by. The fox told the tiger, "There must be a rabbit inside this thing. Please use your sharp claws to tear open the top and let's share the meal." The tiger was hungry and very tired. It agreed to the fox's plan. What do you think happened next? Where does sound come from? Can we see sound? For this activity, we need a small box or bowl, a large balloon, rubber bands, sugar, a glass and a spoon. Before we start, let's make sure there are no rabbits in our box. First, we'll cut the balloon and cover the mouth of the bowl with the balloon tightly and secure it with rubber bands. We have to make sure that it's very tight. Now, let's sprinkle some sugar on top of the balloon. Our model setup is ready. Let's hold the glass close to the drum like this and tap it on top with a spoon. What happens to the sugar? Do you see the sugar dancing to the tune of the spoon? Let's try the same thing with salt. What do you see happens to the salt? Let's look at how it works. When we bang the glass with the spoon, the glass continues to vibrate for a fraction of a second. As it vibrates, the air around it also vibrates. These vibrations in the air spread in all directions. When they reach the balloon, it causes the balloon to vibrate as well. This causes the sugar to dance up and down. The same vibrations reach our ear and make us hear the banging noise. Coming back to our story, when the fox hit the drum with its legs, the top of the drum started vibrating, which caused vibrations in the air particles nearby. And these vibrations traveled in the air and were heard by the fox and the tiger. So, obviously, the tiger did not find the rabbit inside the drum. You can guess what happened next. Thank you for watching.